Okay, class, good morning. So for today, let's have the Stadia problems. So tachometry topics or topic. So for sample problem 1, you are to solve for the interval factor k from the formula, which is hd. hd is equal to k s plus c, where your s is equal to a minus b and your c is the Stadia constant, which is in the given, that is equivalent to 0. Okay, so from the previous uh, topic, or for this topic, you have the discussion in notes 6. What is hd, what is k, what is s and c. Okay, so for the formula for the Stadia interval factor, you have the formula hd is equal to k, which is the unknown, multiplied by s which is a minus b, then plus c is the Stadia constant, and then you have this as your a, this one, and this is your b. So you are to solve for the Stadia interval factor of the instrument used. Okay, so you already have the formula. We'll just have to write the given. So for example, you have for a that is, or point A, so hd is the distance from the transit to rad, that is 30, is equal to k, then s is a minus b, so that is 0.96 minus 0.66 plus 0. Okay, so equal to k. So you have 30 alpha equal, so we'll use the shift solve, alpha x times 0.96 minus 0.66. Shift solve. So x is 100, or k is 100. So next you have b, that is 45 k, and then 1.1 minus 0.64 plus 0. So you have your k equal to 45 equals alpha x 1.1 minus 0.64, so 97.83. Okay, next c, you have 60 k times s, which is a over a minus b, 1.21 minus 0.60 plus 0. So you have your k equal to 60 alpha equals alpha x times 1.21 minus 0.6, so 98.36. Then d, you have 75 is equal to k times 1.35 minus 0.58 plus 0. K is 75, alpha equals alpha x times 1.35 minus 0.58. Shift, so 97.4. Then E, that is 90, is equal to K times 1.47 minus 0.56 plus 0 is equal to K, that is 90 alpha equals alpha x 1.47 minus 0.56, so 98.9. Then F is 105. Okay, 105 is equal to K times 1.57 minus 0.53. K is equal to 105 alpha x times 1.57 minus 0.53. Shift, solve 100.96. Then last, you have G. 120 is equal to K times 1.72 minus 0.5. Okay, so 120 alpha equals alpha x times 1.72 minus 0.5. Shift, solve. It is 98.36. So to solve for K, that is summation of all K minus divided by the number of trials or points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7. So therefore, that is 100 plus 97.83 plus 98.36 plus 97.4 plus 98.9 plus 100.96 plus 98.36. Okay, so that is 691.81 divided by 7. So you have your K divided by 7 equal to 98.83 meters. So this is your answer. So the interval factor of the instrument is 98.83. Okay, so that is the answer for problem 1. And then for problem 2, you have an engineer level with a Stadja constant of 0.3 was set up on the line between 2 points. Okay, A and B. The following here readings were observed. Your rod positioned or held at A and B. You have the upper reading and the lower reading, and then you have the middle here reading. So if the Stadja interval factor K is 99.5, what is the length of the line or the length of line AB? So you need to solve for D and D1 and D2. So you will use the formula, the same formula. You have HD. So that is HD1, or so this is HD1, which is equivalent to D1, and then HD2, which is equivalent to D2. Okay? So the formula, you have H D is equal to K S plus C, where your K is this one, 95, and then S, you have your A and B. So to solve for HD1, so that is equivalent to K is 99.5 times S is A minus B. So 1.33 minus 1.02 plus C. C is given, which is 0.3. So that is HD1. So that is 99.5 times 1.33 minus 1.02, then plus 0.3. So that is 31.145. 31.145. That is equivalent to D1. And then you have for D2, that is 99.5 times A, B, A minus B, which is your S. So you have your S is equal to A minus B. So 1.972 minus 1.736 plus 0.3. So that is 99.5 times 1.972 minus 1.736 plus 0.3. So that is 23.782. So that is equivalent to D2. And then you have your length of line AB, which is equivalent to D1 plus D2. So therefore, you have D1, that is 31.145, plus D2, that is 23.782. Okay, so you have 54.927 meters. So this is the answer. Okay, so that is all for your Stadia